Hello everyone, Crazy Canuck coming at you again from Saskatchewan, Canada, and the last video is still being worked on, and of course the internet went down, so I'm just going to make another quick little video here. This is the second plot that I harvested. This is one that I am really interested in propagating because of the medicinal qualities. This is a 2-row barley. This is a naked barley, and another one from the Kusa Seed Society, and there's a really long description of it and all the medicinal qualities. These are the kinds of grains that were meant to be grown worldwide until the Green Revolution came along and pretty much destroyed everything in favor of industrial agriculture. So I'm going to do a harvest of this. This is the plot that was grown in the egg carton, and it was seeded in every cell of the egg carton, and it didn't need to be. It was really heavy, but it should be an interesting yield coming out of this at that seed rate. So this is a very nice. You'll see how beautiful these seeds are when it's harvested. This grew probably 2 feet high. Wasn't great as far as being able to stand up to wind, but this is also possibly due to the poor soil conditions and high winds and rain. So it's still something that really needs to be looked at. It's one of my favorites, and I'm going to do some harvesting here and take you along for the trip. So this is what this barley looks like. It is just gorgeous. Beautiful color. And it's hull-less. You can cook with it straight out of the plant. Now, when it comes to erratic weather, grand solar minimum type things, you want to be able to grow food, but you also want to be able to grow good food. Highly nutritious, high brix food, and if possible growing foods that have medicinal qualities, such as barleys like this. Ones that were meant to feed people and keep people healthy, not just grow a bunch of food and keep people from starving, but really not healthy. So this is the second plot. I'm going to finish up harvesting this one and do the calculation for the yield. This is, like I said, from Kusa Seed Society. There are other places that also have seed. You just have to do a search on it. This is Gopal Barley, and this is a variety out of India. So another video, another profile for a grain variety, and as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, spread the word. Let's grow some food. So there it is. There's the harvest from 1 square foot of this barley. It's just beautiful. I love this variety. Plus, with all the medicinal perks of it, this is one that everybody should be growing. So I'll put the yield results in the description box below, and move on to another variety. So until the next video, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, spread the word. Let's grow some food.